Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to talk about one of my favorite spreadsheet programs or something like that. It's called PTC MathCad. Now, what PTC MathCad is kind of like, let's call it like an Excel spreadsheet. You write formulas and then it gives you an answer. You can program it to do if, to do macros, to do stuff like that. But the reason I like it so much is because you actually have to write down like the mathematical procedure, whatever. So for example, a lot of times when I'm using Excel or like another spreadsheet program like OpenOffice or whatever like that, something like that, Google Docs, I write my formulas, right? Like, because who solves problems by hand anymore, right? You just like plug it into a formula, MATLAB or whatever. MATLAB is really cool actually, but you have to pay for it. And PTC is free. Sorry, I'm losing my track. A lot of problems I have when I am doing Excel or something like that is that I write the formulas, everything's correct, everything looks pretty, and then like 6 months later, I want to go back to update it or see something, and I'm like, how did I do that? Where do I get that? So I need to actually look into the code, like steel code, concrete code, masonry code, wood code, whatever, and look at the freaky formulas again to see what I did. So the cool thing about PTC MathCad is that you can actually put the formulas and you can add pictures, you can add stuff like that. So that way you can like even copy the charts that you took the photo. That's what I do. Like sometimes I take photos, then like whenever I write the formula, I copy the picture right beside it, and then I write down at the top of the sheet what codes I use. That way, if there's a newer code, like they can like be like, okay, I need to update it. Now, disadvantage of PTC MathCad is that it like takes forever to do some of the spreadsheets. It's kind of I don't know, it's just a pain in the ass, but it's totally worth it because one of the things that I like is that you're actually learning a lot from doing it this way, because you actually see the formula visually, and like if you forget it 6 months later, you just come back, you see the formulas, and I'm like, oh, I remember this. So a lot of people don't use it, and a lot of people say, no, it's not that great. Personally, I really like it, and I think it's probably one of my favorite engineering programs, if not my favorite engineering program, because like you can also get it for free, and like most of the functions are there. Like you will not get like some of the coolest functions like macros and ifs, but like you really don't use a lot of ifs in there. You can put clauses, like even if you don't have if, you can be like this happens, then use this. That's kind of like an if, but it's like a synthetic if, right? So it's really cool, it's very nice visually, so anybody can go and check if your formulas are correct or wrong. And that's a problem that I have, like for example, when I'm checking other people's calculations and like stuff like that. Like for example, sometimes they ask me to double check somebody's spreadsheet, and it's just a pain in the butt to go back and look for everything they did, the formula they got, and here it's just right there visually laid out for you. I would use that for everything if I could instead of Excel, and I highly recommend it for anybody, like even college students, high school students. It's an awesome program. And now that I think about it, I'm actually start doing my problem videos in that program. I might just grab like a camera thing to start screen recording, and like just record my voice in a microphone or something, so just so that I can show you guys how it is, and like it's just visually easier. And there's not a very steep learning curve. It's very intuitive. There's a little details like how you have to organize the results and stuff like that, but overall it's just super easy to use, and like highly recommend it. Check it out, guys. PTC MathCad. There's a free version, there's a paid version, and I do think the paid version is highly I'm not highly, like it's very good. Like if you have the money, if the company had the money, yeah, you guys should probably get it. Alright guys, this was me just ranting about this program that I like, and that's it. Have a good one, guys. If you like this video, subscribe, give me a like, comment, and let me know if you want me to talk about something else. Have a good one, guys. Oh, now turn it off.